IG Mohit Agarwal, who is at the spot right now and refusing to, in fact, give any answers to the questions that the media has been asking him. He's saying that there will be a press conference which will be done by the police later to give more details as far as this entire, in fact, sequence is concerned. Right now at the spot, speaking to the police officers, those who are present here, but largely, at this point of time, he's not given any answers, still saying that there would be all these answers that will come into the press conference after, in fact, the situation, the UP police in the evening is going to do. We are also expecting today that possibly Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister, could also speak on this issue. He has been quiet since the time Vikas Dubey, an embarrassment, in fact, for the Uttar Pradesh police, that they would not able to catch him for the last 6 days, and he surfaced in fact, Ujjain. All right, so what we'll try and do when he comes out, we'll try and speak to him as well. But a lot of, in fact, interest of the common people, public in Vikas Dubey, the man, after he was already a dreaded gangster, but after the killing of 8 policemen, almost became an urban legend. Nobody could believe that there could be somebody who could, in fact, do something like that. Killing of the policemen is totally, in fact, one of the most daring kind of an activity that he has done, apart from, of course, killing a politician, a minister inside a police station, where in that case 25 policemen, those who were present at that police station, had turned hostile. Now, Vikas Dubey is more or less, as people say, is a part of the product of the Uttar Pradesh criminal political nexus, to say the least. That's the allegation. And in fact, since 80s and 90s, in the badlands of Uttar Pradesh, people still wonder whether there is politicization of crime or criminalization of politics, because both go hand in hand. The senior police officer, the IG, in fact, Mr. Agarwal, right now, speaking to the officials there. In fact, he's saying that the way the police has been deployed, the police need to, in fact, make sure that the evidence is preserved. At this moment, what you can see, he is giving sudden instructions as far as the police is concerned. Every frame that you'll see a lot of, in fact, media coming into each other's frame, because it's a small area where a lot of people are, in fact, standing in. And what you see right now is the spot from where the encounter took place. So the police leading, the local officials leading the IG. I will just try, I will ask Dinesh, in fact, to take us to the visuals as far as we can show you. This is the place, this is what the police says, that after picking up the gun, Vikas Dubey ran towards. And if you can somehow see, if Dinesh can show you, if you are getting the visuals of a policeman standing in an area which has been taped, which has been marked by the police tape, that is where Vikas Dubey was gunned down. 2 bullets were pumped into him when the police, according to their version, says that they asked him to surrender. He fired back, injured the policeman, and then in retaliatory fire, in the self-defense, 2 of the policemen, 2 bullets were pumped into Vikas Dubey, and he was gunned down. So the IG right now, Mohit Agarwal, is at the spot. He has been taken to that spot. This is exactly where the encounter took place, and he is right now inspecting the area. It's been raining heavily, in fact, since last night, and that has created its own challenges, its own problems.
Apologies, we've lost a connection with Ankit. We'll go across to him. He's been getting us all the latest updates that you really need to know from that encounter site, and also what's happening in the hospital. You see right now those visuals on your screens of how senior police officials are currently at the site. They're conducting their routine investigation. As we already told you, as part of protocol, there will be an inquiry to look into exactly what happened in this encounter. As we look to reconnect with Ankit for the latest updates from the encounter site, let's also tell you at this point that at the hospital, because Vikas Dube's body bag was also being taken out. We got you those visuals some time back. Several reactions also that are pouring in right now. What we also hear right now is that UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also been briefed about this encounter in which gangster Vikas Dube has been killed. He's been monitoring the investigation very, very closely. And now the information we're also getting is that Yogi Adityanath has been briefed about the encounter. Let's also get you details of exactly what happened. We're giving you a blow-by-blow account of the sequence of events. It started with the task force, the state task force, tasked with the job of really bringing Vikas Dube back to Kanpur. They were on their way, which is when there was a convoy, and one of the cars had Vikas Dube, and it was that car that overturned after hitting a median. Remember, it was raining very heavily in the morning. Dube then reportedly snatched a cop's gun. A cop who was seated next to him. He managed to get his hand on the revolver and then tried to run away, using and taking advantage really of the situation. That's when an encounter broke out. There were STF personnel and police personnel present. There was firing that was reported. Eyewitnesses have also confirmed that. And after that, Dube was killed. He suffered grievous injuries. He was rushed to the hospital, and in the hospital, the doctors pronounced him dead. And that's what the police have informed us. Ankit is back with us. Ankit, it's over to you for all the updates there from the encounter site.
Well, thanks, Akshita, and I apologize to the viewers for that little disruption in the audio. So what we were telling you earlier, ladies and gentlemen, our dog squad from the Uttar Pradesh police has just come in and has been taken to the spot where Vikas Dube was exactly gunned down. That's the IG of Uttar Pradesh police, in fact, Mohit Agarwal, who has come to the spot, and along with him, there seems to be, a lot of, a lot of people, those who have come in as well, and investigations which are right now taking place. So this is I just want to tell our viewers, this is the police marking of the area. You can't, in fact, move, ahead of this area. One the journalist tried to do that. Now he has been, in fact, sent back. But at this moment, what we can see is that some sort of evidence collection process is happening. But how much and what exactly are they looking at? We'll have to wait and see, because in any case, this man has been gunned down. And apart from that, it's been raining since morning. It has been raining since, in fact, late last night. And that is where they say, in fact, that, because of that, the car slipped. Now, Vikas, okay, IG Mohit Agarwal is speaking to the media. Let's listen in.